Welcome to a quick guide on how to disable adding members to your Telegram group on the web with the latest update. Whether you're managing a large community or keeping your chat tidy, this simple tweak can save IU from unexpected invitations and keep the group under your control. First, open Telegram web in your browser and sign in with your account. You'll see your chats listed on the left and your conversation area on the right. If you're here for the first time after the update, this is the moment you'll notice a cleaner setup and new quick access options. Next, look at the top of the page for the three horizontal lines. They act like a gateway to the app's broader settings. Click or tap them to reveal a compact sidebar with your account and group options. This is where Telegram groups store their administrative controls in the web interface. From there, choose Edit. This isn't renaming the group or changing its title. It's a doorway to the permissions that govern what members can do. You'll be taken to a panel that centers on who can do what within the group. A crucial distinction if you want to keep the group's focus intact. Now, navigate to permissions. In this section, you'll see a variety of toggles and options designed to tailor member capabilities. The one you're after is Add Users. This control determines whether existing members can invite new people or whether invites must come through admins. Selecting this option gives you a direct pathway to prevent new member additions by ordinary members. Disable Add Users by turning off the toggle. Once it's off, only admins can add new members or approve invitations. This change instantly enforces tighter supervision over who joins the group, reducing the risk of spam or off-topic personalities slipping in through casual invites. To confirm your changes, you can return to the main group view and test a new setting by asking a member to try adding someone. If the toggle is correctly disabled, they'll be unable to proceed unless they have admin rights. If you ever need to adjust again, simply repeat these steps and re-enable Add Users when appropriate. That's all there is to it. A quick, effective update that keeps your Telegram group on your terms right from the web.